I'm Rahul Sharma and I'm the director of the Regency Club. We've been established for 33 years and we're an Indian restaurant which has Kenyan roots, and we're based in northwest London in Queensbury. It was started by my father, and at that time it was just a social club and a single unit, and we just served drinks. As we became more popular, we started serving some food, which became even more popular. Our business operates 7 days a week. We've got a team of 42 staff that work for us, and our busiest day is actually a Sunday. Being a family day, we keep the kitchen open all day and we feed up to 600 people. The consistency of the quality and the portions and also the taste is so important for us. I attended an exhibition over a year ago, and I met this gentleman there called Sean. And I was so amazed because there were claims that are being made that I just could not believe. I was amazed when I was given an opportunity of a demonstration of the actual OlS&x product in our fryers, and the simplicity of the product, the ease of installation, and the fact that we could actually see results within a week or so. My chefs were incredibly surprised by it, and once they believe in the product, it was a no-brainer to then get it for all our other fries. We have 7 fries in total in our kitchen. They all vary of different sizes and various litres of capacity of oil, but OiLChef has a product which can fit into each different type of fry that we have. We have implemented it in all our fries now. It's something which was a novelty at first, but now it's definitely something which our chefs wouldn't want to cook without. The most noticeable differences that we've seen is initially just a better quality of product. For us, it was so key to ensure that our food didn't come out always greasy. And what we found is the viscosity of the oil has actually become a lot thinner to what it used to be before. And it's allowed the food to cook a lot more evenly. And we're able to sort of maintain the oil temperatures within our fryer as well. To an extent, we can actually reduce our cooking temperatures, but still maintain the exact same results of high temperature cooking, which is a great energy saving at the moment for us. At the same time, our chefs have also noticed the cooking time has slightly decreased as well, but the product quality has still remained the same. As a lot of our customers now get takeaways from us, the one thing that we've noticed is we are able to provide a much better quality product to them. Because of using OlS&x, a lot of our deep fried products actually maintain the crispness and the quality for a much longer period of time, which means we get a lot more happier customers as a result of it. A lot of our chefs have been with us for over 20 years, so there were certain changes which we had to get accustomed to whilst using OlS&x, and one of them was the actual colour of the oil. Many of our chefs were in a habit and a routine of changing oil on a fixed day every single week, but what we had to understand was the actual quality of the oil was much better than what we may have perceived it to be. One of the biggest questions that all my chefs had was what cleaning is involved, because that's the always worry with new products, is how do you maintain them, how do you actually go about replenishing or using them. And the best thing was OlS&x is easy to install and easy to maintain. We simply take it out whenever we do our oil change, we pop it into a hot boiling water pot, and within 20 minutes, we take it out, let it cool, and just pop it straight back in again. We've been absolutely overwhelmed and overjoyed by OlS&x. And the reason being is because it actually does what it says on the label. And it's a tested and tried product, which we completely believe in because we've seen the results for ourselves. And it's a bit of magic that happens in the kitchen that our customers are never aware of, but they can see the difference. And that's what makes it really magical for us.